So, how did this humble green-tipped bottle become a culinary sensation? Well, first off, we've been pronouncing it all wrong. Here in the States, most of us say Sriracha or Sriracha, but it's actually pronounced Sriracha. But in this video, we're just gonna say Sriracha. Okay, now that we've cleared that up, let's dive right in. Over 80 years ago, a chili sauce was crafted by Miss Thanam Chakapak in the serene coastal district of Sriracha in Thailand. Miss Chakapak initially created it for her family and close friends, marking the beginning of a chili sauce legacy that would eventually evolve into what we now recognize as Sriracha. Fast forward to the 1980s in sunny California, David Tran, a Vietnamese immigrant, established Huy Fong Foods and came from a family involved in the chili sauce business. When he arrived in the States, he noticed a lack of the spicy flavors he was accustomed to. So, he decided to create his own chili sauce. He drew his inspiration from the coastal district in Thailand. In Tran's recipe, he combined sugar, vinegar, salt, garlic, and specially grown red jalapeno peppers. And voila! Sriracha is born! So what's the deal with the rooster on the bottle, you might be thinking? Well, Tran was born in the year of the rooster, so he slapped a beautifully designed rooster on the bottle. But here's a spicy mystery. Nobody remembers who actually drew that now famous label, not even Tran himself. In the mid-90s, Tran's Sriracha sauce gained a cult following. Culinary insiders whispered about its flavor, referring to it simply as the secret sauce. Then, in the early 2000s, the foodie revolution explodes and the hot sauce market catches fire. Sriracha sales skyrocket, outpacing other condiments by a blazing 150%. By 2009, even Bon Appetit magazine named Sriracha the ingredient of the year. The sauce's tangy and spicy taste, combined with its versatility in enhancing a wide range of dishes, contributed to its soaring popularity. Today, we find ourselves in the era of Sriracha abundance. There are now dozens, if not hundreds, of Sriracha brands churning out this beloved chili sauce. Even major players like Tabasco couldn't resist joining the fiery frenzy, releasing their own interpretation. While other brands produce Sriracha-flavored everything, from chips to ketchup. As you already know, Americans put Sriracha on everything from eggs to pizza and beyond. And if you've had it, then you know it's a staple in most American household pantries. And there you have it, folks, the sizzling tale of Sriracha, the red rooster sauce that conquered taste buds around the country. We hope you enjoyed this spicy episode of Cut the Mustard. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable episodes about the history and secrets of your favorite condiments. Leave a comment below with the condiment you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, keep exploring the saucy world of condiments, my friends.